In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view completed tasks in Asana. If you ever need to confirm what was finished recently, prepare quick progress updates, or spot patterns in your team's throughput, this is a simple and reliable way to do it. To begin, open Asana and head to your home page. This is the central hub you typically see right after signing in. From here, you get a clean overview of your work and easy access to organization-wide tools. It's the best place to start because it brings everything into one place and keeps you from hunting through individual projects or inbox notifications. Next, look to the top of the screen and click the search field. In Asana, search isn't only about typing keywords, it also provides quick access options that surface useful, pre-built views. Opening search from home ensures you're pulling results from across the workspace or organization you're currently in, which saves time and reduces the chance of missing recent activity. From the search panel, choose Recently Completed Tasks. This shortcut compiles tasks that were checked off not long ago across the projects and teams you can access. You'll see a straightforward list designed to answer a single question: what's been completed lately? Each entry typically shows the task name, the project it belongs to, the person responsible, and when it was marked complete. This context helps you validate progress at a glance and trace work back to its source without jumping between multiple views. Keep in mind that recently focuses on the latest completions, so if your team hasn't closed out any tasks in the last stretch, the list may appear short or even empty. That doesn't mean anything is broken. It simply reflects the current pace of activity. Also, you'll only see tasks you have permission to view. If something appears to be missing, it could live in a private project or a team you're not part of. This view is especially helpful for daily stand-ups, end-of-week summaries, and quick audits. It's also a lightweight way to celebrate wins, since you can scan the list and recognize what moved across the finish line. Pay attention to the completion timestamps if you're preparing a report bound to a specific day or week. They'll help you confirm recency with confidence. And that's all there is to it. Start on Home, open Search, and select Recently Completed Tasks to get a clear, up-to-date snapshot of the work that's been completed. Thanks for watching, and enjoy keeping your Asana workspace transparent and on track.